Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the different emotions. Emotion is a feeling that can be caused by the situation that you are in or the people you are with. Here are the different emotions. Happy, sad, angry, and scared. Now, it's your turn to identify the different emotions. This time, I will show you pictures of different situations, and you will choose the correct emotion. Number 1. Your pet dog got sick. What would you feel? Number 2. You saw a ghost. What would you feel? Number 3. Your friends surprised you on your birthday. What would you feel? Number 4. Your neighbor bullied you. What would you feel? Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!